What's up, party people? It's been a while since I made some firearms related content, and I just haven't got anything in the mail worth mentioning. But this thing popped up in stock, and they've pretty much been unobtainium for a while, so I jumped on it and it arrived this morning. So let me open it up and show you what I got. Bam! This is a flat dark earth Atpial-C. That's how they come straight from the factory. It's got like a ballistic nylon Cordura case that I'll probably never use for anything. Bam! This is the unit. Again, this is a Atpial-C and not a full power PEC 15. I'm not cool enough to have credentials, so it is what it is. This is very new production. This is May 2023. What else you getting here? You got different lens caps, depending on if you need to block out certain functionality or you need different shapes or whatever. Instruction manual. I'll go through that fast because that's probably ITAR and you can't see that. It is what it is. You got a CR123 and a remote pressure pad with some extra Velcro. Pretty slick. I'm sure, well, I definitively know there are better lasers on the market, but they also cost more than double the price. It is what it is. I don't live and breathe this stuff professionally, so you know, if I was using this in a professional manner for work or whatever, I would have got them all. But you know, this is going to go on an 11.5-inch SBR, and ballistically, those are good for 50 to 75 yards, and the illumination on this is good for 50 to 75 yards, and it is what it is. Besides, I'm kind of a clone junkie, and this just looks right. Anywho, I'll let you go. Be well and have a great day.